How to clean your floor tiles and keep them sparkling clean. Tiles are one of the most accessible floor types to maintain, and it requires little effort to keep them clean. However, when we say they are easy to maintain, you will need some techniques to keep your tiles sparkling clean and durable. As we all know, the floor needs regular cleaning, and the entire home should be cleaned thoroughly with water and rinsed at least once a week. At the same time, you all know that we must sweep the floor every day to live comfortably even without moping or using any kind of solution. Today, we will provide easy tips on how to clean your tiles. Tiles are quickly becoming the most used materials for the home floor. They are comfortable, easy to maintain and durable. But as easy as it may seem to clean the tiles easily, we will give you the following tips to ensure a sparkling floor and make your tiles last longer. For effective cleaning of your tiles, follow the steps shown below. Number 1. Sweep or vacuum the floor free from dust. Before you apply water or use any solution, you should get rid of dust and loose particles on the floor. Wetting the floor with water or detergent while the floor still contains particles and dust will only spread the dirt all over the floor. The first thing you should do is sweep the tile floor or use a vacuum cleaner to get rid of the dirt. You should pay attention to the edges and crevices of the tiles where dirt usually piles up to ensure you properly clean up dust before moving to the next step. Next, you should use a bristle brush or soft broom to clean the floor and ensure you get rid of the dust. Number 2. Find suitable cleaning agents for your tile floor. This second step is not only vital for effective cleaning of your tiles, but to prolong the durability of the tiles. There are many floor cleaning agents out there, and each one is made up of different materials. So first, you have to determine the type of tiles in your home. Are they made of marble, porcelain, ceramic, and other materials? The kind of materials will determine the suitability of the detergent. You should avoid using acidic solutions or detergents made of vinegar on cement tiles. Using cleaning agents unsuitable for tile floors will destroy the tile's quality and durability. However, you can use vinegar solution for ceramic and porcelain tiles, but we will advise you to always check the labels and instructions for each detergent you buy to know where and how best to use them on your tiles. The type of stains on the tiles may also influence the kind of cleaning agent you will buy, for it will require a more robust solution to clean food grease off the floor than using a simple solution for routine cleaning. Number 3. Mop and rinse the floor in a simple pattern. When your floor is free from dust and adequately clean, you can now clean your tiles with water or use the right solutions. With the right mixture, you can mop the floor sparkling clean and then rinse with clean water, but you have to be systematic when mopping and rinsing the floor. First, you will choose a pattern to follow so you do not skip any section in the room. Next, you should mark the space in squares and clean one after the other to get every square inch of the room adequately cleaned. You should also change the water you use in rinsing the floor after mopping with your cleaning solution. This will prevent you from leaving behind a stream of foam or specks of dirt that may accumulate on the water as you rinse the floor. Number 4. Cleaning the grout. At FastKlean, we understand the difficulties in getting specks of dirt off those crevices, and that is why we recommend you take time to clean the grout on your tiled floor. There are unique products for cleaning the grouting, and you should get one or use a mixture of bleach or vinegar with water. Remember to wear gloves to prevent bleach or chemicals from reacting to your bare skin. After cleaning the grouting, leave it for some time before your rinse, and you will be amazed by the sparkling results of your effort. Number 5. Dry your floor. You should not finish up without drying off your floor with a dry cloth or mop. Keeping the floor dry is safe and more comfortable for you and the occupants in the house. Number 6. Clean the floor regularly. Lastly, It would be best to clean the floor regularly using this method to keep the floor in excellent and durable condition. It would be best to tend your floor tiles at least once a week, including the grouting. Another tip we will share with you is that you should clean stains, such as food droplets or grease, immediately to avoid them sticking and becoming hard to remove. Make an effort always to keep the floor clean and use the right solution. These tips are simple, and we encourage you to use them regularly to keep your floor clean and sparkling. Always take care to use the right and eco-friendly cleaning agents specific for your tiles, and you should consult or read the labels properly. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.